If you are tired of video creators telling you to print low-content journals on Amazon or spam low-quality ChatGPT ebooks, you are in the right place. Most AI side hustles fail because they offer zero real value to actual paying clients. In this comprehensive guide, we are diving into 5 practical, high-margin services that businesses are actively buying right now. We will build each workflow step by step, showing screen recordings of the exact prompts, tools, and software dashboards you need. By the time this video ends, you will have a clear blueprint to launch your own modern AI service business. Before we open our first software app, let us establish the 3 fundamental rules for a sustainable AI side hustle. First, the service must save your clients significant time or make them immediate revenue. Second, you must use AI to do 80% of the heavy lifting while applying human review for quality control. Third, the business model must allow for recurring monthly retainer pricing instead of one-off gig payouts. If you follow these 3 principles, you transition from a disposable button pusher to a high-value technical partner. Hustle number 1 is building automated lead nurture systems for local services like plumbers, dental clinics, and realtors. When a customer fills out a contact form, they expect a response within minutes. Open make.com and create a new scenario. Click the Add Webhooks module and connect it to your client's web form. Next, add an OpenAI module using GPT-4o with a custom system prompt, draft a friendly, professional SMS confirming appointment details based on incoming webhook data. Finally, connect Twilio to instantly text that custom response to the client. Local businesses gladly pay $500 a month for the system because it recovers lost sales. Hustle number 2 is audio voiceover localization using 11 Labs and Descript. Independent podcasters and educators want to reach global audiences in Spanish, German, and French, but studio dubbing costs thousands. Open 11 Labs, select Dublin Audio Native or Dubbing Studio, and upload your client's raw MP3 file. Choose target languages like Spanish and German, enable automatic speaker identification, and click Generate. Once finished, export the multi-track audio into Descript to fine-tune pronunciation timing. You can charge per audio minute and deliver studio-grade multilingual audio in under 20 minutes of actual work. Hustle number 3 is generating specialized SVG vector graphics for Etsy and Shopify store owners. Graphic design buyers pay for clean, scalable vectors for t-shirts, stickers, and brand icons. Open Discord and prompt Midjourney using parameters like flat vector illustration of vintage camping logo, black and white line art, white background, style raw, v6.0. Save the high-res PNG output and open vectorizer.ai. Drag and drop the raster image, adjust detail settings to high precision, and click Download SVG. Open the SVG file in Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape to verify paths are clean before bundling them into digital download packages. Hustle number 4 is transforming unstructured team conversations into organized standard operating procedures using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Growing businesses struggle to document internal processes. Ask your business client to record a 5-minute Loom video explaining a task like customer refunds. Extract the audio transcript and feed it into Claude with our master prompt. Convert this raw transcript into a markdown SOP including objective, prerequisites, step-by-step checklist, and edge cases. Copy the generated markdown directly into Notion and format it with clean toggle headers. Companies regularly pay $1,000 to $2,000 for full operational handbooks. Hustle number 5 is running a faceless short-form content studio for SaaS brands and newsletter publishers. Short-form video drives massive organic traffic, but founders lack time to edit. Start by generating short educational scripts in ChatGPT using targeted viral hooks. Next, import stock video footage into CapCut desktop or web. Add automated text overlays using Submagic or CapCut's Auto Captions tool. Select bold dynamic captions, highlight keywords in neon yellow, and insert sound effects on key phrase transitions. Deliver 10 edited vertical reels per month for a monthly retainer fee of $1,500. Now that you know the 5 workflows, let us talk about acquiring clients and avoiding common mistakes. Never lead your sales pitch with the words AI or artificial intelligence. Business owners do not care about the tech stack, they care about saving 10 hours a week or making extra sales. Search LinkedIn or Upwork for companies hiring for full-time roles like customer support rep or copywriter. Pitch them your AI-assisted solution as a faster, lower-cost contract service. Always conduct human quality control before sending final deliverables to prevent hallucinated answers or awkward layout glitches. Your action item for today is simple: pick just one of these 5 hustles that fits your existing skills best. Spend the next 2 days mastering the workflow tools we demonstrated in this video. Build 3 sample deliverables to create a simple digital portfolio. Once your portfolio is ready, send cold messages to 5 qualified prospects every morning. Check out the description below for links to all prompt templates and tools mentioned. Do not forget to hit subscribe for more practical AI business tutorials every single Wednesday.